Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Friday, June 3rd. The May employment report has hit like a ton of bricks, and it's causing a dramatic reaction among investors. The U.S. economy created just 54,000 new jobs, the smallest increase in 9 months. Economists had initially expected a gain of nearly 200,000, but revised their estimates lower after ADP released a disappointing report on private sector employment earlier this week. In addition, job growth in March and April was revised lower by nearly 40,000. A separate survey within the report showed that the unemployment rate ticked up to 9.1%, its highest since December. Economists were expecting the rate to decline to 8.9%. Following the data, U.S. stock futures dropped sharply, and the market opened with broad losses. Stocks across Europe also turned lower on the news. Meanwhile, the dismal jobs report is weighing on commodities, as investors fear that an economic slowdown will dent demand from the world's largest consumer. Right now, crude oil is dropping all the way back below $99 a barrel. But fears about the economy are also making gold and treasuries more attractive as relative safe havens. Gold is rising near $1,550 an ounce, and treasury prices are soaring, pushing the yield on the 10-year note well below 3%. The currency markets are reacting as well as the dollar declines against most major rivals. We're not seeing much movement in the euro following a report on Greece's struggle to meet its debt obligations. According to Reuters, Greece will agree to tougher austerity measures and faster privatization of national assets. In return, the country will receive another bailout package, in addition to the 110 billion euros it got from the European Union and International Monetary Fund last year. On the corporate front, we're keeping an eye on shares of Walmart. The world's biggest retailer is trying to turn around 8 straight quarters of negative same-store sales growth with a new retail option. Walmart Express stores will be about 1/10 the size of a regular Walmart and will offer ready-to-go meals and other fresh food. The first 2 Walmart Express stores will open in rural Arkansas towns next week. Earlier, I told you about 2 planned public offerings from Pandora Media and Arch Coal. Now, Tesla Motors is also getting in on the action. The electric vehicle maker priced an additional 5.3 million shares at nearly $29 each, raising more than $150 million. The company said it plans to use the money to fund the development of its Model X crossover vehicle. Shares of Tesla are bucking the general downward trend in the market, jumping more than 4%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a good trading day and a great weekend.